All right, welcome back. Apologies for not posting. Time got away from me, and I've been preparing for the holiday season with my Etsy shop, so I've been working on turning a lot of projects that I already have the wood dried for. So this is part 3 of the construction lot bowl. Okay, so one thing I wanted to show you was this bowl cracked fairly significantly when I was doing the drying. I kind of expected that it would. You have 3 piths. This is a crotch bowl, so there's a pith there, a pith there, and a pith there, and you'll notice that all the cracks are radiating from those. So what I'm going to end up doing, I think, is I'm going to turn this down and make it a shallower bowl, which is fine because shallower bowls actually sell pretty well. So we're going to turn it down, and then the ones that I like, this one here, I will see if I can turn it a little bit and then use some of the sawdust to fill that. So we'll see how that turns out. It may not turn out, but you'll be the first to know. Let's get started. I'm going to use a tried and true method for fixing these with some sawdust here and some CA glue, so stick around for that. And what I find works really, really well is this thin CA glue. You sort of squirt it in the gap and then just a bunch of sawdust on it. Sawdust gets forced down into the crack and just gets sort of sanded out. You can buy the Stick Fast stuff. It's on Amazon. I think it's like $10 for 4 ounces. It's really good stuff and it's really cheap. It goes a long, long ways. If you can see it here, but there's a fair amount of tear out here, and I didn't get it very smooth, so I'm going to sand this with a drill, and then hand sand. I'll hand sand this down to about 600 grit. Then I'll sand the inside, and then we'll turn it around and get the tenon off. So I've got the outside sanded, and it's sanded down to 600 grain or 600 grit. So it is absolutely mirror finish. And if you look at this grain, there's that quilted grain. It is really it's as pretty as I thought it would be when I first started cutting this blend. So I'm going to turn this down, or I'm going to sand this down in the inside. I'm not going to make you go through that. I will come back when I have the whole thing completed and you can see the finished product. And there it is. Hoping you can see some of this beautiful grain that's in here. This quilting is just, it's really stunning. Also on the inside, and it's got a nice little I don't think it's a bark inclusion. It's a defect of some kind, but it goes. You can see that it goes between the two different branches here. So I'm not quite sure what it is, but it's really, really pretty. Turned out really, really nice. Thanks for coming with me on this journey. As always, I'll put a link to the parts 1 and 2 either below or up in the above, and the link to my Etsy shop is on the slide at the end of this video. Have a great day. If you like these series of videos, like, subscribe, do all of that fun stuff.